The grief and desolation of Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, first movement, has touched us all. But is there a way to make the emotion even more profound without making it maudlin? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser. This is Piano Somatics, where we learn to move better in order to play better. And the movements we're going to bring to the Moonlight Sonata are a case in point. If I fall into the keys, it's a beautiful, rich sound. But if I stood up on those same keys, it's an even richer sound. Because the falling creates or risks creating an impact, but the standing up eliminates the possibility of an impact, creating a purer vibration and one which is more precisely orchestrated, as if it was two voices, a cello and a contrabass. So, all together, the standing up creates very precise orchestrational relationships between the parts. I showed you the left hand, but what about standing up in the right hand? The thumb, as we know, stands up differently from all the fingers. The thumb pushes the hand up and stays under when it stands. And this creates, in the Moonlight Sonata, I'll do it with two hands, heartbeat. It's an extra voice. It's not just triplets. It's a heartbeat within the triplets. If I stand up well, then these fingers just touch. Now, yang finger. Did you hear that voice? It's way more than the others. How can I do it when I'm standing up everywhere? It's the way I stand up. My thumb stood up here. I'll show it backwards so you can see. Stood up and dangled these other fingers into their nose. Stand, dangle, dangle, stand, dangle. But the way the thumb stands is a preparation for the way the fifth finger stands. Look at that hypothenar muscle. You see the hypothenar here and the thenar there, the two most powerful muscles in the hand. Together, they make the magic of the Beethoven Moonlight Sonata. So develop the way you stand and the precision with which you stand and the differentiation between the parts of your standing hand to make the Beethoven Moonlight Sonata even more desolate, more grievous, and more touching to the listener.